Hey guys, like and subscribe. Also thumbs up. And comment.
Hello.
Today we are in the car right now. It's raining tacos.
Cheaper than going to the store.
Hey, it's raining. Look, it's raining. Bunny, bunny, bun, bun, bunny, bunny, bun. Bunny, bunny, bun, bun.
Stop. You're being weird. Stop sign. Stop sign. I'm not pointing at you. Look. Yeah. Where are we driving to? Home?
Right at the stop sign.
Are we driving home?
Left out of the main entrance.
We've been using paper towels to make us drive.
We're unlucky. And look, we've been using paper towels
I already told them
to
that.
dry ourselves off.
We've also been drawing on them. I'll show you a picture of
Don't judge us, we draw
these are
on
some- I
paper
said it right.
towels. I'm going to finish what I was doing.
I told you in advance. Again.
Below.
I said
Okay.
right and then I left out the main entrance.
Hey,
Blah, 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 blah,
you can't touch my phone. Nah, 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 nah.
Bad, bad.
Hey, stop.
Bad,
Bad.
bad,
Oh, so this was actually paper towel. Okay, throw that. Look
don't throw
in.
them. I said throw it in the middle.
Hey, I don't have a side. Really?
Yes, you do.
How'd you picture?
You got the middle.
Just so you can see that. That's one. Two, with that. I'll shoot round like that. Woo!
No, it's straight.
What? Skull?
School?
Nose. That's all I drew on there. This is the whole thing. The whole paper towel. Folding it back up. Okay.
Pixel. I'm gonna draw a Minecraft person.
Seriously? Look at wait. Let me show them what you've drawn so far.
Okay, I'm just now starting by drawing the Minecraft
No, you were going
square head,
Okay.
and then
They can't
is it
see anything. They can't see anything. Let them see your whole pictures, all your pictures so far.
And then these are the square eyes. He's gonna be a doofus wearing glasses.
Good for him.
I'm gonna make him have more than one because it's fun, like a honey bun. Okay, so
You can just look through the camera.
Whoa. Okay, and then what I do is I'm gonna put over over here I'm gonna put a square, and then you have a doofus slime bad guy. His name is gonna be
Keep right onto I-75 south. Keep right onto I-75 south.
Guys, look. I named him Slimester.
Seriously?
Yes,
Picture. Let me take a picture of that.
Slimester. That's what I named him. This is his skull, which my sister made me draw a clown nose on. I'm gonna redraw my clown.
No, it's not a clown nose. This is a better way.